And when you walk yourself inside my crosshairs, I'm going to hug the trigger. And I'm going to drop you. You can't withhold this from me. When you have that, unstoppable. Unstoppable. And then when you have the model in your hand and you know exactly how you're going to perform with it, you have no idea. You have no idea the potential you have then. Every goal that you ever set, smashed. Every goal that you ever imagined within your reach, smashed. And you're going to look around and think, man, I did not have high enough goals. This was too easy. This was too easy. But while you're going through it, it seems impossible. They're not doing it. So why are you taking other people's advice that aren't doing shit? If they're not doing better than you, they don't have any opinion on how to make you better. Cut it out. You want to be self-sufficient. You want to be able to make this money on your own. You don't want to listen to me. You don't want to listen to anybody else. You don't even want to be on social media. Fuck these people. You don't want to give a shit about what they say about you. You don't care. You don't give a shit if they see what house you live in. You don't give a shit what kind of car you drive, how much money you got in the fucking bank. You don't care about none of that because you're living your life. You're taking care of your family. If this fucking offends you, I don't give a shit. Move on down the fucking road because this is where the rubber meets the road, folks. No one's going to protect you. I can't protect you. You're going to fuck it up if you fuck it up and you did it in your own hands. But if you do the due diligence and say, I'm cutting all the bullshit out today. I'm cutting it all out. I got no excuses now. He said it. I got no excuses. It's there. It's in the charts every single day, every single week. This is the hardest, easy money you've ever made. And the only thing that complicates it is the person you see in the mirror. How long are you going to let that person in the reflection of that mirror hold you back? You think you look like that person in the reflection of that mirror. You don't. You don't. It's backwards. And it's not shocking when you think about how we think ass backwards. We think about things backwards because we don't think we deserve it. Bullshit. You deserve it. The fact that you're still listening to me, bloviate. You know you want it. You can fucking taste it. It's ready. It's within grasp. You know it's there. You just gotta keep digging. It's gonna happen for you. I have dozens other ones that I'm begging for them to come forward. New step. New string in their step. Why? Because they don't need ICT no more. And guess what, baby? Woo! That's exactly what you do when you graduate. Fuck you, ICT. Thanks, brother. See ya. That's exactly how I want you to do. I don't want you tethered to me. I don't want you constantly tethered to me. I want you to say, thank you so much, but I ain't got time to be messing with you no more. I got things to do. Places to be. Boom. That's exactly how you leave the nest. That's it. We're done.
All right, chat. Good morning. How is everybody doing? Hit the like button. Say what's up in the chat. Don't be shy. Happy Thursday, everybody. Hope everybody's doing well. Good morning. Good morning. What's up, Dandy MC? Roger, good morning. Hassan, JP Trades, Womanizer X, good morning. Shahir, Hindsight King, Brian, Shav, Electron, Trader 007, Shav Trades, Dario, Newton, Elias, Golden Boy, good morning. Kookie, Crypto Surfer USA, White Mamba, Risu, Arvin, Aq, Benny. Good morning, everybody. I think I got them all. I made it up. I made up for lost time. Caught up with the chat before you guys ran away with it. Good morning, everybody. Hope everybody's doing well. Happy Thursday, guys. Market opens up here in 3 minutes, so we'll go ahead and jump in. Turn that off for now. So, first and foremost, economic calendar. We do have some more news coming yet today. It's medium impact, though, so I'm not overly concerned about it. New home sales at 10 a.m. Orange folder news event. So that is the only thing left incoming for later today as far as the economic calendar is concerned. Let me turn the background music down a little bit. And as far as where we're at in price, we have traded below the new week opening gap now on all three assets. And we are starting our descent, boys. Is this finally it? Are we finally leaving this range? Yes or no? Or are we at least going to go take out these lows that we've been fiending for God knows how long? We shall find out here shortly, but that is what we look like. You guys can see here on this 4-hour time frame that we had a 4-hour bearish fair value gap as well as a 4-hour bearish breaker that did end up holding as resistance and pushing to another new low. And to be honest with you, we've been fairly lopsided with bearishness ever since yesterday pre-market. So, I mean, at some point here, we're going to have to probably look to see a correction. Probably after some more sell side gets taken, we'll see how we want to close this current 4-hour candle. But yeah, call me crazy, but still favoring retracement higher if this is all we're left with going into New York session, which is just that we're trading below sell side, trading below lows without really too much retracement. So that is kind of the forte for me right now, boys and girls, and us trading below this low here. I would like to see us give some sort of a relief rally a little bit at least before continuing lower. So not that I'm against shorts, but I would like to see manipulation above some internal highs before being a bear, if that makes sense. So we'll have to see what sets up here going into market open in 10 o'clock. We're starting to kind of get a little rejection right now. Market opens up here in 20 seconds. We better not miss the opening bell, chat. Let's watch this opening bell. Good morning, everybody. Hope everybody's doing well. Good morning. Good morning. Happy Thursday, chat. Happy post-FOMC to all those who celebrate. Market open in 10 seconds, guys. Let me know in the chat if you guys are bullish or bearish. What is your guys' draw on liquidity today? Where do you guys think we are heading toward today? Let me know. Let me know. There's market open. Today, everyone in the chat expects lower. That means, oh, so yeah, looking at the poll, we got what? 56% of the chat wants lower. So yeah, I guess now we have to be bullish. Now we have to be. That's the rules, guys. I don't make them. I don't make the rules. I'm just the messenger. Don't shoot the messenger. Don't shoot the messenger. All right, so here's market open and immediate flush. Immediate flush here off the open. Our next level of sell side is it the November low yet? This is March. Let me check the continuous contract quick. Or did we take out November? Oh, yeah, we took that out already in March. So new low of the month potentially incoming here. We're already below the current low on Dow and ES, obviously. So we'll see if NQ wants it as well. I'm just going to go LOM for low of month. I guess I don't need to... I don't need to mark it up on the continuous contract chart, huh? That's not what I'm using. So we'll see if we get there. Like I said, we're below it on ES. We're below it on Dow as well. So not like it needs to, but we'll see if this momentum from the open wants to continue. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Oh, how did we sleep last night, chat? Dandy, did you just change your name? I just noticed that. Sugar Dandy? Yeah, you did. You changed it from your first message. Your first message still says Dandy MC, and now you've changed your name to Sugar Dandy. What the? Pour some sugar on me. If you got any, you know what I mean? If you got some extra just laying around, just, you know, feel free. What's up, Muhammad? He's trying to be sugar daddy. Yeah, I know. That's what, like, hey, listen, in today's world, sometimes settling for the sugar daddy route is sometimes it can be the wise decision. Pass another funded yesterday. Got to upgrade accordingly. Nice, dude. Pass another. Got another funded account. He's like, I'm sugar dandy now. Yeah, that's right. What's the threshold from? Is it 2 funded accounts or 3, 4, 5? Like what? At what point do you go from dandy to sugar dandy? Only paper trading the same. No more accounts left to trade. Paycheck Friday. We'll get more. Yeah, I mean, so it's been a tough week. Sounds like crypto. Sorry to hear that. Well, glad I didn't trade yesterday at all. I mean, I know that there was a big move down yesterday, and there's always going to be people on social media that catch. You know, anytime there's a big move, there's always going to be people on social media that catch it. And I think sometimes people feel bad if they see other people catch a move and they like didn't catch one for whatever reason because it didn't show them how they, it didn't show them a clean model for entry, or it kind of went against their narrative. So, but I have no foam. I'm happy of being flat on the day yesterday. We did stream yesterday in the afternoon after FOMC. Wanted to see price give some sort of a rally back into that 4-hour unfilled gap after 2 o'clock, and we just kept seeing price grind lower and lower. So it was all good. It was all good. ICT just ended his live stream crying. Why was he crying? Can't wait to change yours to Sugar Oscar. I changed mine to Sugar Tyler. It doesn't sound right, does it? Tyler Sugar? Tyler Trade Sugar? Should we start trading sugar futures? Can you do that? What's the ticker for sugar futures? Somebody in the chat look up if there's a ticker for sugar futures. Bought a 150K Lightning Fund using code Tyler. I appreciate it, y'all. Terabyte. Hey.
Nice.
Thank you, man. Miss a train. Don't worry, ICT missed a train too. Hey, listen, we all miss some trains sometimes. We're just trying to get back home to Bikini Bottom. Talking about giving back and that it's the highest form of success and what it's all about. Yeah, I don't disagree with that. I don't disagree. I believe it'll be a hard session. I was looking to target the previous monthly low. Need to retrace. Previous monthly low, do you mean the current low of the month for March? 212 or? I think we've taken out all the previous monthly lows as far as like November, January, February, etc. Because I mean, if you guys remember, we had this huge gap down. We actually opened up. That was kind of the shitty part. We were all, we all have been dying. We were dying for the longest time to get the shorts to like November low, February low, because it was just stacked relative equal lows here. And then if you guys remember, over the weekend from March 6th to March 8th, that was when we gapped down and we opened up and basically went for these lows then on Sunday night. So typical current market behavior. Let's go get these beautiful objectives when everyone's not trading. Bitcoin getting smoked. Yeah, we've been calling for lower on Bitcoin for a little minute now. I was calling for sub 50,000. And I think everybody was getting all excited because we hit 75K again, I think on Monday. And I'm just like, yeah, just a little beginning of the week manipulation. It's SB? SB? Spring break? Is that what you mean by SB? Here's the current 1 minute. I don't know. We got this impulse down at the open, and it's kind of been chopping here ever since. If you guys were on the post FOMC stream yesterday, basically any 5-minute bearish gap would have worked for a short. Any short PD array basically would have worked at any point. Sugar futures is SB. Oh, is it really? So you can trade it. Let's go. Sugar dandy. If you get a payout trading sugar futures, I got some sugar for you. Got buys at 56K. Spot buys or leverage? Leverage crypto trading is something else. Yeah, I'll probably start adding as well once we get to the low 50s. But I'll just be DCing, and I don't think it'll be like I'm not expecting it to like tap that level and then just fly back up. Like we'll probably accumulate for a while like we usually do. Probably accumulate, honestly, probably all the way through the halving event. When is the next halving event? Is in is it 28? That's generally what we tend to do. Our average is about the same crypto. I think I'm low 30 somewhere in there as well. Kind of sucks round tripping. This is my second crypto round trip. Unfortunately. My average buy on Bitcoin would be a lot better if I didn't trade support and resistance back in 2020. Oh man, good times. It's lonely trading alone. It is lonely trading alone, isn't it? It is lonely trading alone, isn't it? Could you imagine the current trading landscape today if like I know we all like kind of have our grievances with trading social media for different reasons. But could you imagine how boring and lonely trading would be if like I don't know, trading social media didn't exist and nobody live trading, nobody live streaming, nobody doing anything? It'd be kind of boring, wouldn't it? None of you would be here, would you? Maybe none of us would. Who knows? Trading, what's that? Oh, sounds like a scam. Ten seconds delay. Sorry. Appreciate you, bro. Appreciate you boys being here. Now hiring Sugar Mommy. Ooh. Yeah, send in your Sugar Mommy applications. Don't be shy. Gold and silver going down when there is war. Why is it going down when there is war? Well, I mean, remember how much we were pumping? I mean, every single one of us was like, why are we pumping so much? Remember, it's the famous buy the rumor, sell the news, dude. Like, gold pumping like crazy. We all were like, something bad's probably coming because it's pumping and it's just ridiculous. And it's a safe haven asset. So, you know, in hindsight, we could probably look back and be like, all right, yeah, maybe it's because of the Iran war. There was knowledge of the war incoming. So money's moving into gold and silver, metals, and now that the news is broke about the Iran war, all these people are funneling money, retail's funneling money into it. and creating exit liquidity for everybody else that Nancy Pelosi'd their way in. If you know what I mean. We're always going to be behind the 8 ball with that stuff, chat, unfortunately. Opening range breakout? No, I mean, I'm usually looking for like an opening range breakout type of a play anyway, right? Like a manipulation at open and then we distribute the other direction. I don't know if in some logic that might be a opening range breakout to some extent, but no. I mean, if you simply just trade opening range breakout, it's a simple system, so I see why people like it. But to me, it's just like a pattern trade. At least with ICT Concepts, I can, even if it's true or not true, I guess it doesn't really matter, but I can at least tell myself that I feel like I'm using a little bit more thought out logic and narrative. Like I said, whether it's true or not, I'll leave that up to you, but that's what I believe. And don't you dare piss on my Cheerios. So yeah, guys, let's see what we want to do here. This first 15-minute candle is about to close. You can see ending up giving us a nice rejection wick here to the downside. I kind of think we do flip this potentially higher. We got a little 5-minute gap in here. It would be nice to get like a structural shift here above this 5-minute and turn this into a 5-minute breaker. Otherwise, we'll see what price wants to do. Back at the opening price. Fed Powell, it is prudent to re-examine rules and proposals, preserve core capital requirements for large banks. I guess we'll see. Yeah, I'm not like convinced on the longs or anything just yet. We're just seeing some rejection for now. Looks a little bit stronger on Dow Jones. Dow Jones, if you look at the 15-minute, I'll show you guys. I guess 5-minute has a similar logic here with some closure above recent opening prices, but 15-minute, we're back up into this 15-minute gap. We've already traded up into it once and rejected it to a new low. So to me, this gap has already done its job, but Dow Jones is the only asset here where we've gotten like a closure above here. No inefficiencies at all on this 15-minute leg for NQ. But yeah, I'm kind of thinking this, if we can get closure above here, target like London and Asia highs. Stop probably just below the breaker candle if we get it. If not, we'll see another drop down and we'll just keep waiting. We do have macro in 3 and news in 13 chat. Medium impact news in top of the hour. Don't be rude. What do you mean? You talking to me or someone else? Oh, you're talking to Felix. He goes, previous day low is grabbed, idiot. Hey, don't talk to Sugar Dandy like that. Nobody talks to my members that way. Felix. You cruising for a bruising, pal. If I'm looking at the continuous contract, Then I have B edge on, yes. I mean, yeah, I do believe previous day. For the record, though, I do believe previous day low is taken, unless I'm literally on drugs that I'm unaware of. Which, you know, so you never know. That's possible. It's possible that, I don't know, something snuck into my room late at night and sedated me. You know, can't rule anything out these days. If B edge is on, then previous day low is still there. What? If B edge is on, then previous day low is still there, they're telling me. Bro, what are you talking about? This is the daily candle. This is the current daily candle. This is the previous day low. I mean, it doesn't even matter if you're using like New York midnight or anything else, like, or just the normal daily candles. We're below the previous day low, are we not? Like, what are you guys talking about? Is this thing on? Previous weekly low. Well, that's different than previous daily low. Who said previous daily low? I swear to God, someone said it. Oh, he corrected it to previous weekly low. That's my bad. Yeah, I don't disagree with that. We have taken that out on ES and Dow Jones, though, as we mentioned. Well, the continuous contract chart is just the chart that you can use without needing the front month chart. The front month chart is where you're supposed to be executing your trades. Then the continuous chart is kind of just a chart that you can use for charting, not for execution, and you know, keep your drawings, et cetera, from one contract to the next, and look back at previous data. Because if you're on the front month chart, you're only going to see like so much data. I dropped down to the 1 minute because I was kind of tempted to try this at the beginning of macro off the 1 minute. If we got this closure, we're already kind of getting the run. Might just have to stick to the original 5 minute idea, although there's 4 minutes left on this candle. Yeah, let's see the 5. We'll stick to the original 5 minute idea. Hopefully it doesn't just like fly with no looking back. Yeah, I see the S&T at the recent high here, but we'll see. Yes, previous weekly low is, hasn't been taken yet. On NQ at least. CISD is changing the state of delivery. So on this 5 minute time frame, last up close candle before the new high, or I'm sorry, the new low. Oh my God, what am I saying? Last up close candle led to this drive down to a new low. And if we take this sequence of down close candles and we get closure back above it, that is a 5 minute bullish change in the state of delivery. So that's what CISD is. I'm tempted to use the 1 minute though, honestly. Let's see if we get respect from this 1 minute inefficiencies here. As we wait for this 5 minute to close in like 90 seconds. But yeah, this is the plan, guys, for me of what I'm thinking. Entry, targeting these highs, London, Asia, etc. We're probably going to get beat to Asia high on ES. And I'm just thinking stop loss below like this breaker candle. Something like that. Size accordingly. All right, guys, I am in there. The reason I grabbed entry here, we still have over a 2R towards this Asia high. We did close above this wick, so I don't know if we'll get this body retest. We'll see, but everything else stays the same. Risk on 100-point stop. 3 micros is 612. You could get maybe this entry here off this change in the state if you want. Let's see if it gives it. And there it is. Gave it and died. And we do have medium impact news in 4 minutes. Your schlongs were long before you longed? Nice. So yeah, we'll see what we get. If you waited for the change in the state of delivery, you got a much better entry here. My stop is below the breaker candle. But yeah, this is the logic. Manipulated below a new low at open. SMT at the previous weekly low with ES and Dow Jones. Wanting to see relief rally above some significant highs. And if we are wrong, this will be a perfect entry in the wrong direction. This will be a turtle soup L. for the record. Frave prop firm. You know, kind of depends on the offer being available, but honestly, I don't think you can go wrong. TRADEIFY, Lucid, Apex, obviously with their new end of day accounts. My Fund of Futures is good. Jester trades. Yeah, what is I've been hearing that word. What does that even mean? What does jester even mean? Jester is a clown? So I'm clown trades now? I don't get why you guys come in here and be gay. Like, you might as well just come in here and say that you literally like men. You know? How's the Retta treating me? Pretty good. Yeah, I'm down like 10 pounds in 4 weeks. All right, guys. Medium impact news incoming in 20 seconds. Why are you gay? I mean, you know what I mean? All right, here's 10 o'clock. Yeah, the if you waited for the change in the state of delivery, like this retag, you literally got like almost a snipe there. Please, sir, push market upwards. I'm trying. Go higher, market, please. Everybody in the world's bearish. Make them sad. Literally, my chat was 57% said lower today, so we knew that the longs were promised to us. We knew the longs were promised to us. Just kidding. Nobody talk shit early. We all know what happens when you talk shit early. You get clapped. We can't talk shit until like 24,600. Can we get a good 10 a.m. candle? What do you guys think? How do you guys think this candle finishes off? Do we get a big girthy Hulk candle? Or do we get just a dud with like a huge wick both sides? I hope not. That would suck. My opinion about PB Blake. What's your opinion about PB Blake? Explain your question. Where's your man, or just yaw terabyte? Symbol CMMNQH6 is not available for trading at this time. Yeah, it's the March contract. You're on the March contract. You need to be on MNQM. MNQM. That's the contract that I'm on, the June contract here. If you're on the March contract, that is expired. Well, it officially expires tomorrow, but yeah, there's probably like no volume in it. I switch contracts when the volume is higher on the next contract, which was Tuesday, I believe, of this. Yeah, Tuesday of this last week, or this week. I just hope we don't get too big of, if we do like consolidate here, I hope we don't get like too big of a manipulation down on NQ. Just eyeballing this, like our entry or our stop is still below 50% of the range in this breaker candle. So I think if we go to stop, we're probably just wrong. But I'm just wondering if, like, it's already 10:05. I just wonder what this 10 a.m. candle ends up doing. I'm planning to just hold this, though. I'm going to be patient. This could take a while. And yeah, target for me is basically full close once we hit Asia high. We'll see if ES takes Asia high first, you know, if we get there, but wherever that is. Yeah, we have SMTs at the previous weekly low. We've just been so expanded to the downside with really not a whole lot of significant manipulation up, so it's only a matter of time, I guess. I don't trade gold, no. I mean, we're sweeping this 15-minute high, but like, what do we have that we're trading into that's a key level here other than like new week opening gap retest? You know what I mean? Like, there's nothing here, right? No hourly gaps. 4 hour, like there's nothing, like there's not even any 15-minute inefficiencies in here. Literally the only thing that we're up against is we're at the low of this new week opening gap. So well, we'll see. I mean, I've been wrong before, chat, believe it or not. I can tell you this with absolute certainty. We're either going to go up or we're going to go down. Free game. You're welcome. I'm using 3 monitors, 2 for actual trading and 1 for like monitoring chat, OBS, and Trade Syncer. Gonna be a long trade. Yeah, it might very well could be. We are going east. That is also true. We're going to go up or down and sideways to the right. Book it. I mean, most people use TradeSync for the prop firm accounts. Duarte? That's actually pretty much the whole point. Most people don't have like a plethora of separate live accounts that they trade. Usually they just have one live account and then a bunch of prop firm accounts. For TradeSync and Project X, you'll have to contact TopStep and get an API key, which they charge like $14 a month for. Yes. Have I ever met ICT in real life? I have not. I'd give him a big old bear hug. Let's mark out this 50%. Just see if we go tag it. Yeah, kind of a mixed bag from some of you guys in the chat. Some of you guys like long, some of you guys like shorts. The poll is biased for lower, but we'll see, man. One of us will be right. Plot twist, it just whipsaws both sides real quick and we both are wrong. Rats. Hey, there we go. I mean, dude, yeah. So this body, this breaker is holding really nice. $8:30 open. Remember, guys, no talking shit till at least 600 plus. Okay, that's all I ask. We don't count your chickens before they hatch. Majority will be wrong. I do agree with that. Yeah, that's true. Most likely. My mentor who has 90% win rate with all the data shown Discord and is in this long and we should feel good, LOL. Who's your mentor? Tyler Pinkerton. Is that actually your last name is Pinkerton? I like the name. I'm not making fun of it. I actually like that name. So what you're telling me is your mentor with a 90% win rate is in the same long? So you're telling me I could be charging for this? Who wants to send me money? JKLOL. Wick in the high for now. Yeah, why is your mentor watching my stream and copying my trades? No, I hate when people say stupid shit like that. How do you frame your trade? What do you mean? How did I frame this trade specifically? Is that what you're asking? I mean, we've just been pretty lopsided for lower prices. It's just been nothing but lower since yesterday pre-market. We have unfilled inefficiencies above significant internal highs. SMT at previous weekly low. I think it's just a matter of time before we get a relief rally back up. We got manipulation down at open. And wanting to see this distribute higher going into the rest of the morning. Confirmation for me came off this 5-minute bullish change in the state of delivery. And now we wait and see if we are right or wrong. And even if I am wrong and I get stopped out, I'm still bullish. I'm still looking for longs. Never wrong, just sometimes early, chap. Don't forget. Never wrong, just sometimes early. Our 50% does move up a little bit now. We have been liking this 50% retrace lately, especially when we're slow like this. So I think you should charge. I earned it. Nothing wrong with it. You are legit. So that's that. Yeah. Well, I've been streaming for 2 years. So how long do I got to stream for to be eligible to charge? I mean, I stream for free and I still get called a scammer, so I might as well charge. I'll get called a scammer either way. You know, what the heck? But no, I like streaming for free. I don't know. It's not, you know, it's not an obligation. And I mean, obviously people copy trade either way, right? Whether you charge or whether you live stream, but I don't know. I think it's a better deal for you guys. You're not paying anything extra. You know, the shitty part about like people that charge is like they're gonna take losses just as much as like live streamers do. The only difference is you paid them, you know, for the same thing basically. And to me, it's like, you know, if you're gonna use prop codes, just support. I guess support who you want, but the only way to monetize like your presence on trading social media, if you're not charging for like a course or a Discord, is basically just affiliate codes. I mean, we're out of options after that, are we? What's left? OnlyFans? I haven't been on Reddit long enough to open up an OF. Please don't do that. I'm kind of no, it's all jokes until it's not. I don't know, man. The plan is to stay live streaming for free. I mean, I'm really grateful for you boys and girls for being here. I'm grateful for you boys and girls that do use code Tyler when you purchase your prop accounts. I know you don't have to, so I do appreciate it. And that's what allows this to be free, really. We get it right sometimes, we get it wrong sometimes. Name of the game. Name of the game. A 1-year trial if you do a Definitely not. I don't know, dude. It's kind of giving me the vibe that it wants to go retest a little bit lower here. 15-minute bullish gap now. I just noticed that we're tapping. Something's got to give, chat. What are we doing? Meanwhile, Dow Jones is sinking. Dow Jones is bottom left on my chart here. Kind of sinking a little bit here on Dow. Yeah, it's 10:20 right now. Cut it. Why? Worst case scenario, it just hits my stop loss. It's just a stop loss. It's nothing to be afraid of, chat. See, that's a problem with some of you guys. You guys are so afraid of stop loss. You can't be afraid. Don't have fear in your heart, chat. Listen, great book for some of you to read. Outwitting the Devil by Napoleon Hill. Great book. Great book. And basically it talks about the 6 major fears that the devil uses to overtake human beings and capture their minds. Don't be afraid of a little stop loss, chat. Don't be afraid of a little stop loss. One of the main fears, one of the biggest fears that the devil uses to prey on people is poverty, the fear of poverty. You got the fear of poverty, the fear of death, fear of old age. You're fucking gonna put me on the spot with a pop quiz here. Fuck, I'm trying to remember the other ones. Fear of old age, fear of death, fear of poverty, fear of ill health or sickness. Fear of judgment. Like everybody has a yearning to want to be accepted. Fuck, I'm blanking on the last one. Let me just Google it. Sorry. I read the book a long time ago, by the way. And if you can, get the audiobook. The audiobook is way better. Trust me. 6 major fears outwitting the devil. Might be cooked, chat. We'll see. Poverty, criticism, ill health, loss of love. That's the one I was forgetting. Loss of love. Old age and death. Honestly, it's a great perspective shifter book. You guys will like it, I promise. You will like it. Yeah, it's not I guess it's I mean, you can apply pretty much anything to trading, right? But it's not really a trading book, obviously. Might be cooked to your chat. Last line in the sand really is this 930 opening price, I'd say. Holding as an OB and 50% of this range. Otherwise, maybe get cooked, but I'm not bearish. I'm just not going to be bearish. I'll look for longs again after 10:30 or 11 if that's the case. Outwitting the Devil is the book. Check the Asia range is reacting from its low. That's why long work. Well, Asia range, new week opening gap. I mean, you can find reasons for why anything would work, but Dow Jones is about to take out the low here, down here. By the way. Well, what do you think, Chad? Am I cooked or what? Really going to come down to how this 15-minute closes in the next 4 minutes, I think. If we inverse this 15, we're probably GG's. If we hold it, I think we're good still, honestly. OBS disconnecting. Hello, hello, can you guys hear me? It says my OBS just disconnected, but I don't know if I'm still live. Yeah, okay. That's weird. All right, we're still live. All right, false alarm. False alarm, I guess. So Dow Jones did just sweep that low down here. We got 10:30 incoming in a few minutes. Hopefully we're safe, man. $15-minute close. I agree, yeah. I agree. I do agree. 2.5 minutes yet. I just really hope we don't like wick down into here like a deeper OTE retracement and then we still hold for higher. That'd be kind of sucky. You know what I mean? Like if we tap like 70% or something of the range, hold the SMT at the low, and then we see price rally into like 11 o'clock or something. That would suck. Oh boy, here it comes. About to get touched inappropriately from the looks of this. Anyone that's not of age, cover your eyes. Look away from the screen now. You're not old enough for this show. You are not old enough for this show. Oh, battle ready poker. I'm so sorry. I forgot the market only goes one direction. How dare I? How dare I think we could go higher? Wow. What a herb. That is a new one though. I've never heard herb before. It's like a vegetable, I guess. Why buy when it's bearish? Oh yeah, I forgot it. It only ever goes down. Oh, sorry, chat. Hey, chat. Sorry, the market only ever goes down now. Actually, I didn't get the memo. Huh, sorry. I didn't get the memo that the market only goes down. I must have missed that in the weekly newsletter. That's my bad. Hey, it's my bad, chat. You know, it's my bad. I forgot that the market only goes one direction now. Thanks, Trump. Hey, it's on me. Yeah, it's on me. Hey, guys, sorry. I forgot. The chat knew that the market only goes one direction these days. Chat's never wrong. That's why they're here watching a live stream. Yeah, makes sense. Yep. No, yeah, sorry. Hey, listen, I don't want to be too facetious here, but that's on me. Hey, silly guy. Oh man. We're still holding on by a thread, chat. It's kind of like do or die though. Do or die. Here's 1030. If we get any manipulation any lower, we're screwed. Watch me still be bullish afterward, though. So, yeah, we did not get the 15-minute respect of that gap that we were hoping. Let's watch it on the 1 minute. Let's watch it on the 1 minute. Why enter if it ended up losing? That's what I'm saying, dude. How can I enter after I know if it's going to win? Can anyone help me with that? Not right now, Amon. I don't. You should have asked up here when we were in green. I'm always in a better mood when we're in green. Yeah, no, we tapped OTE. 6-1's like 618 perfect, I think, down here. Like I said, man, I don't know. I felt like my stop was a good spot. Where it's like all of this would have to get invalidated with a really deep retracement to be an L. So maybe we hang on by the hair of our chinny chin and we see this hold. That'd be sick. But holy cow, nobody likes 99% drawdown. Wow. We're not dead yet, chat. We're not dead yet. Kids, you can uncover your eyes. The fucking comeback of the century is upon us. The comeback of the century is upon us. It's alive! It's alive! It's like a Michael Bay movie when the end credits come and then the guy's hand twitches. He's alive! A little cliffhanger. Just when you thought you were about to hit stop loss. What I've done, I brace myself. Holy cow. W stop placement for now. Still no celebrating, guys, until 600, but we can be a little bit happy about that. Holy shit. Yeah, I can't think of many trades where I get that close to stop loss and don't get stopped. So, hell yeah. Just kidding. I knew exactly where to put my stop. Y'all need to study more. Fuck. But yeah, let's just say at this point, you could have gotten a banger entry at any point waiting for retracement. This is so funny. How do I miss time? That's like the one element of my trading I still need to figure out, where it's like miss timing days when I should just market execute, and miss timing days when I should be patient for like the perfect sniper entry. It's like I always fucking guess wrong. Every time I just market execute, it always gives the retracement. Every time I wait for the retracement, it just flies. It just flies without me. I'm like, sweet. That's why cherry picking never works. 786. Yeah, we got a deeper retracement. I was watching that. I didn't want to say it because I was kind of starting to think it wasn't going to matter. But yeah, I was going to say, if anything, we were actually starting to see a little bit more strength shift into NASDAQ based on the structure, with obviously the deepest retracement on Dow being that low, and then a deeper retracement on ES compared to NQ. I didn't want to say it because I didn't think it was going to matter, but now that we're printing a green candle, I guess I can say it. Back in profit? Who would have thought this? Hey, look at us. Who would have thunk? Not me. Who would have thunk? We're celebrating now. Watch us still get stopped.
Look at us. Look at us. Hey, look at us.
Look at us. Huh? Who would have thought?
Not me.
That's us right now. Butt squeezer, Tyler Pinkerton. Exactly. All right, everybody can unclench now. Whew, unless you went short. Fuck you guys who went short. Yeah, that's right. Suck it. If you went short, you are a donut. What a dumbass.
Stop it. Get some help.
Now we can rub it in, chat. Let's rub it in a little bit. Stupid Bears. Stupid Bears. 5 big booms for the Bears.
Boom! 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 Boom!
Oh, jeez. Hey, listen. Somebody's got to flip the burgers.
Back where you fucking started, Wagey. Someone has to fucking flip the burgers, dumbass.
Oh, dude, I'm gonna get so cooked because I'm trolling the Bears now. This market's gonna humble me. Which platform am I using? TradingView. Crazy rage bait. Listen, they were rage baiting me. I got called an herb. Literally fucking gambler, poker, dick daddy, or whatever the fuck his name was. As Price is right here, he's calling me an herb. Oh, you're short. You're longing in a bearish market. Retards. Respectfully. Just kidding. Disrespectfully. See, they're quiet now. If it goes back down here, they'll chime back in, though. It happens every time. That's why it's like, bruh, some of you guys just need to chill the fuck out. All you guys do is you come on here and you go, how can I cortisol spike Tyler today? Let's see if we can kill Tyler early. Let's fucking spike his cortisol. Let's see if we can actually have him have an aneurysm. What? Just wait for it. If price does come back down here, they'll chime back in. They're always quiet though when you're in any bit of green. If it comes down here, they'll be back. They're always back. Why? Because they are always about hindsight. Always. They're never not about hindsight. And it pisses me off, dude. It makes me angry. I just want to bitch slap all of them. I know. I literally said I'm probably going to get humbled because I'm trolling them, but I had to take my opportunity. I had to take my opportunity to troll them back a little bit. It's just an eye for an eye. It's just an eye for an eye. Because I didn't know if we were going to get another opportunity. I didn't know if we were going to get another opportunity or not. You know, I had to take my chance. You miss 100% of the shots you don't take. Remember your comment. See, they're already coming back. We're printing a bearish candle. They're already back. They're already back. Why were you guys so quiet up here? Can you explain? I'll explain for you. If I can make my fingers do it. I'll explain for you. That's that. Yeah. Yeah, no balls. Oh, everybody can talk shit and profit, huh? Including me. Including me, by the way. This because it's so easy. But yeah, anyone that sits here and tries to act like a brainiac in this type of shit, I mean, who are you fooling here? Real genius stuff. Don't say it, Nathan. Come on, man. Fuck. We thought we were cooked. We thought we were good. We thought we were good. We thought we were cooked. We thought we were good. Now we think we might be cooked again. Fuck, what's it gonna be? Oh. This is exhausting. This is exhausting, chat. We need this. I think we need this 15-minute to reclaim. Because if we... I mean, bro, how crazy is this, though? Like, even for the bears, let's just entertain the bearish narrative. Like, that is a crazy retracement if you guys are bearish. Like, you guys might have actually pooped your pants. You know? Some of you guys, if you're bearish, even you guys and the bulls, everybody right now should go change their underwear. I could tell you mine's got some stains in it. Listen, I'm not and I'm not ashamed to admit it. Only real men poop their pants. Only real men poop their pants when they're 99% to stop loss. Oh my God. Just kidding. I'm not wearing any underwear. But I am going to puke. Hold my beer. And now we're back at entry. I mean, what the fuck are we doing? Guys, the longs were promised to us 3,000 years ago. Give it to us. See, like, if I had the yarmulke, this would be the time I'd put it on. I'd put the yarmulke on. Oh, my God. Well, so much for that 10 a.m. candle that we were hoping was going to be a nice, big, girthy Hulk candle, huh? We're just getting wicks both sides and a dud. I'm telling you, man, Silver Bullet Hour has been trash. I'm boycotting Silver Bullet Hour, I think, forever. I can't take it anymore. Like, this candle alone every single day gives me like 4 more gray hairs. It's unbelievable. Again, perfect OT tab. Listen, I'm done speculating. I don't even know. I'm just going to submit to whatever the market wants to do here. I'm just going to submit, bro. I don't know what we're going to get. We might be fucked. We might be resurrecting from the dead. I don't know. I don't know. All I know is my stop loss wasn't hit, so fuck it, we ball. God. Oh, man. See, like, this is the part of trading that people don't see. Like, how can I bottle up this exact experience and just like give it to anybody that ever says, hey, I'm thinking about getting into day trading. How do I just like give them that? And you're just like, don't do it, dude. Trust me. Stay away. All right, guys, this 15-minute candle closes in like 2 minutes. And by God, we need this thing to reclaim the gap. Oh my gosh. We need it to reclaim the gap for longs. I can't feel my legs. No. No. Yes. 1 minute left. This will decide our destiny. I'm pretty certain of it. Where are we going? I don't know, dude. We're either going up or down. I don't know. My bet was on long, so. But yeah, I don't know. I don't. It's hard for anybody to feel smart in this market, if I'm being totally honest. Like I said, even the bears, bro. Bro, if you were short and you see this whole thing retrace all the way back up, like, come on, man. Let's be fucking real here. If you say you weren't shitting, like, that 15-minute close was a little bit shitty. I'm not gonna lie. Jeez. I don't know, man. I just don't want to make a mistake and overmanage it, and then it plays out. I don't feel good about it. I'm not gonna lie, but I feel like I've done pretty much all I can do. I don't want to overmanage it. If I'm wrong on timing, I'm wrong on timing. Maybe we see the new hourly candle go run the 9 a.m. hourly low, and then I don't know. And I'm tired of pretending I do know. This 10 a.m. hour has aged me an extra 4 years, I think. I'm tired too, Jacob. I am tired, dude. Oh my God. That's why you get the Toyota. Hey, can't park there. You guys know what I'm talking about? That girl on TikTok? Oh, can't park there. No. Thank God I just got the Toyota. You just had to say something. Nika, this is the thing, like, we are all, literally, it's a tug of war right now. We got the bears in the chat, the bulls in the chat. Every one of us is like clenched and praying right now. Trump, if you wanted to tweet that the war is over, you could feel free to do so now. Yeah, March contracts expire tomorrow. Triple witching. Get break even and get out? No. This is either stop loss or glory for me. It's seek and destroy. What was your first hint? Thank you for telling us it's seek and destroy 48 minutes later. Oh, it is it? Oh, nice. Thanks. Never would have guessed. Oh, it is. Oh. God. Maybe if I move my cursor around my chart, something will happen. Wiggle this shit a little bit. Shake out some of the cobwebs. Come on. Wake up. Wake the fuck up. All right, incoming macro, guys. Hedge your bets. Depends on the day. Almas. Right now, I am trading 6. I've been yeah. I mean, New York AM session has just been like so tough. If anything, I've been trying to like risk a little bit less in the AM session or just copy trade less. Because yeah, it's so easy to get tricked in the AM session lately. $150Ks actually, yeah. 150s. I mean, I have more. I think my total is like what? 16 right now. For like 4 of those right now are evals, so I guess 12 funded. I don't know. It's just, bro. It's like, I'm not gonna lie, dude. The confidence in the morning session, especially, is just, it's been higher. You know, it's been higher before. It's been a tough go the last few months, just with the range that we've been in. So, you know, if I can't have like a ton of confidence, why be like full blown max leverage on everything, you know? Like at some point we're gonna get, hopefully, God willing, we'll be out of the range and we'll be getting some cleaner deliveries and we'll be able to capitalize at some point this year. I mean, shit, like usually some of the best trading is usually like late March, April, and then like the first half of May. And then like fall again. Sometimes like summer's a little bit iffy, beginning of the year and then the end of the year with holidays, but yeah, dude. This market hasn't been for the faint of heart, I'll say that. But it will stop your heart and make you faint. That's true. Well, boys, my opinion hasn't changed. Maybe if this hourly candle closure is favorable, I'll feel better. Still think this is a pretty big toss-up. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I'm not dismissing the possibility that like this hourly candle closes like shit, and then the next hour candle opens up, and then we accelerate towards this low, and then like later in like AM or lunch we see the move up. But that's a possibility. I won't lie to you. It's just the 10 a.m. candle has been such a disappointment for so many sessions this year. Now I know why it's called Silver Bullet Hour, because it makes you want to eat one. Can I get an amen? Can I get an amen or no? I do think that, like, if we did get like a 5-minute closure back below here without hitting stop, I would probably just cut it short, because then I think by that time we would be seeing, I think, probably that hourly scenario playing out as a high chance. Otherwise, we hold, man. Hold the line. You didn't know I go live on YouTube? Did you think I was just talking to myself? Guys, it has been a fucking grinder of a trade. Holy shit. 99% drawdown. A little bit in profit. Back to drawdown. Back to profit. Chopping right now around just below the entry. This fucking 10 a.m. candle has been dog shit. Makes me angry. Pisses me off. Silver Bullet Hour used to be something special. You used to be able to write home about Silver Bullet Hour. Now you can't. The only time you write home is when you're asking for more money. Because Silver Bullet Hour is taking it all from you. Fuck. Like, come on, man. Why? Like, just look at this. Just look at this and tell me it doesn't make you fucking upset. Fuck. I mean, damn. They say don't get emotional. Oh. Dude, Silver Bullet alone is driving up job applications for McDonald's as we speak. Goodness. Let me flip some burgers at this point, dude. What's going on here? What? I don't know, chat. 10:57. There's only so much speculating I can do in this action. And the problem with just like getting out is like, you know, the moment you close it, this shit's just gonna go. All right, he's out. We can go now. All right, he's out. Yeah, guys, he's out. Pump it. He's out. Go straight to his take profit in one candle, please. Yeah, I don't know. These I somehow this guy. Sorry, I didn't notice it was on Dow as well. It just overlapped, I guess. I don't know why that happened. All right, guys, we're about to close the hour in 2 minutes, man. How do you do anything else but just laugh at this market at this point? Well, perhaps we're becoming swing traders today. Let's check what's going on in the Discord here. Everything's fine. Literally. What is this shit? Oh. Thanks, Hosai. I thought you were saying there's just so many like scammers that come here and just post random shit. So annoying. This is crazy. All right, guys. Hourly close in 15 seconds. Oh, my goodness. What are we thinking, chat? I don't like this hourly candle closing bearish. I'm not going to lie. Welcome. I think I'll go break even if we do trade like above these highs like that early, just because I mean at that point, like, damn. But I don't know, man. I don't like that the hourly candle closed like this. I'm gonna stay with my same rule, and if we get a 5-minute closure like back below here, I'm just gonna cut the trade. Hopefully it doesn't like just rip all the way to my stop loss if it does that. But now that we've opened up a new hourly candle, I do feel like we have to logically entertain the opposing view of this now. Keep in mind, I entered this trade literally at like 9:50. The 9:55 a.m. candle was when I entered this trade. We've now been in this trade for 56 minutes and counting. And we kind of anticipated the 10 a.m. hourly candle doing more than what it did. So now all bets are kind of off. Hold on to your britches if you haven't already. I'm just happy I didn't overmanage it in here. Like, we were just holding the same position, but I mean, yeah, it's been dire streets. 66, and wait for it. I would like to introduce you boys to the 67th minute of this trade. Think them in. But you guys can kind of see the logic that could come in here, right? Like 11 a.m. power of 3 now. Like, we wick up, rejection, block off this wick. This becomes a swing high, and this accelerates lower. Like, that's the opposing logic now. And that's kind of the problem with this hourly closure being bearish. You know, if we closed up here, we're probably golden, right? We're feeling amazing about this. It's just the hourly doesn't look very promising. Bro using RSI? What the fuck are you talking about? Oh, you're talking about... I thought you were talking about me. Holy shit, sorry. That's my bad, chat. That's my bad. I was about to be real offended if you couldn't tell. Break even now? You mean just close out? Nah. Nah, I've been patient this long. I might as well wait for either a confirmation to closure here for a small loss or go break even above this hourly high. You know? No reason to not be patient. 67. He ran out of patience at the 67th minute. He couldn't handle it. He had it all the way up until 6-7. And then he fucking lost it, dude. He couldn't. He just ran out of gas. You know? Hate to see that happen. Hate to see that happen. All I know, boys, is if anybody got this OTE entry down here, did anybody snag this, bro? You're probably feeling amazing, honestly. You're probably break even already. Yeah, if anybody got filled down here like the 430s, man, y'all are sitting pretty. You guys are already up. That's 70 points already? No shit. Damn. ICT did? I thought he ended his stream like way early and he was crying or something. Whatever you guys were saying. Nvidia and Tesla is pumping. Well, that should be good news. I'll take your word for it. Guys, I'm not gonna lie. Today was a little draining. Here is 50% of this hourly wick. This needs to fail. This needs to fail. If we come back down and close below here, I'm out. If we close back below the opening price of the hourly candle we're currently in, I'm out. There we go. Come on, baby. There's a new hourly high. All right. I'm not just going to like jam it up there because you know these market makers, you know how they are, you know, but I'm mentally like break even right now, basically. You know, screw it. I'll jam it up there. What the hell? I'm risk-free on this. Previous hourly highs taken. Let's see some acceleration. Fuck those market makers. Oh, man. Honestly, if you held on to this with me, fucking W to us. Cheers. Oh, my God. I am now 45 years old. Get out. Bro, will you guys shut up? You guys have been saying get out ever since, like, this whole time you've been saying get out. Like, just shut the fuck up. Oh, that is a good movie, though, by the way. Have you guys ever seen the movie Get Out? It's a good movie. Fucking kind of crazy. Stay in. Thank you, TR Productions. Thank you. Finally, some encouragement. Stay in. Thanks. Thanks. I'm sorry, boys and girls, but it's just, you know, Dad's not always in the mood for your shenanigans, okay? Don't you understand? It's not you, it's me. Just kidding, it's you. Just kidding, it's you, but you know what I mean. B alert is coming. Honestly, who gives a shit, dude? I was 99% to my stop loss. I'll take a break even at this point. I don't give a fuck. I'll take it. Fucking give it to me, please. Just break even me. I'd see if I care. Please. Get me out of this trade. Get me out. Get me out. See if I care. I don't. Come on. let's get this over with. We held a trade for an hour and 10 minutes just to go break even, so whatever. See if I care. Oh. I need a yarmulke, dude. Yeah, that wick definitely looks like a break even incoming. Looks like everybody's just getting fucked. Shorts, longs. I know, dude. I just, you know, it's been one of them days, chat. It's been one of them days. Is anybody brave and honest enough to admit in the chat that they may have overtraded in this today? How many people got chopped up in this today? Let me know. Still in. Didn't tag me at break even. 5 minutes going to close here though, and we are rejecting these highs pretty heavily, so I don't think it's probably break even, pretty much a guarantee. But in this market, are we really surprised by anything anymore? If this doesn't hit me out break even, I'm going to be like a little surprised, honestly, but in a good way. Happy surprise. How come the spread didn't take you out? Well, the spread's only like what, like a tick or two at most? That's kind of the nice thing about futures. The low of that candle got down to, the low of that candle got down to 510. My stop and profit is at 509, so I had a full 4 ticks. Spread is only right now 2 ticks, so that's how it didn't get me out. But don't worry, it's probably coming. Don't you worry, don't you worry. Damn, you're still in? That's what I'm saying, Oscar. I don't remember signing up for this. I don't remember signing up for these. $11 a.m. macro has come and gone, by the way. All we accomplished was a move above previous hourly highs. Bro, this literally might just chop all morning. What a bummer. I mean, did you guys at least have some fun this morning, at least? Did we have some fun just living and dying with these candles, or no? It's kind of fun, ain't it? Like, being miserable together. Like, I kind of get it, you know, misery loves company. Definitely a true statement. At least we did it together, I don't know. But yeah, there's absolutely very little chance that there is a ton of blown accounts in here today. That is probably for sure the case. What a day to be a prop firm, bro. They're probably just raking it in. Did really well. Inspirational. Thank you, Lun Chelsea. See, Lun Chelsea with the positivity. Thank you. Listen, yeah, I'm happy with how I didn't overmanage it. I didn't well, I shouldn't say I didn't panic. I just didn't let the panic make me do something I regret, which is getting out early and, like I said, just over managing it in chop. Held it. Stop loss wasn't tagged. We just ride it out. Now we're break even, and worst can happen is we get stopped 2 points in profit. So could be worse, man. Could be worse. It's not every day. Sometimes you get played. Yeah, only good can happen now. It's either good or neutral. I walk at the line. What the hell? It will be bad if I post this. This would be, can I save this as a meme or something? Oh, I thought there was maybe an easy way to do it. I would save this until like a loss. That'd be a good picture for a loss, yeah. Oh my gosh. We should start doing, boys. Should we start doing like meme of the day in the Discord? Like, maybe not meme of the day. Well, we could do meme of the day. We should do like meme of the day and then like do giveaways around memes of the day. Who's got a good meme? Who's got a good AI meme they're trying to drop? I'll tell you what, you guys got until the end of stream. If you guys got any AI memes you want to slap in here, we'll pick a winner, and I will give away TRADEIFY Select 50K account for the best one. How about that? Minimum 5 entries. Because, like, if only one person does it, then it's just like, well, you know. Oh, my gosh. All right, well, we, by the way, the 15-minute did close back above the new week opening gap on NASDAQ. So we'll see. As long as we don't get any, like, crazy downside wicks, we actually might be good here. I say that now, but Ben Oslam, I don't know what the hell you just said. And because I don't know what you just said, I'm going to take that as an act of terrorism and you're going in timeout. He might have said something totally nice, to be honest. That's the funny part. But I can't read it and I'm scared. Oh, wait, hang on. I didn't mean to do that. I didn't mean to delete one message. I meant to put user in timeout. Wait, why didn't I do it? Sorry, Attican. You got like 10 minutes though. We'll see you back here. I just don't know what you said and it scares me. Did not say something nice. What did he say? Someone translated in English. He said I'm from Iran? What? Told me to beat it. Sounds like a loser who's mad he got stopped out going short. Ha 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 ha. Shorts got stopped out. I'm gonna get break even stopped, which is better than a stop out for a loss. Ha 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 ha. It's childish. I know. Whatever. But still, haha. That means I'm better. You're not. Don't be sore loser. All right, 15-minute immediate rebalance. Let's see if we get stop break even here finally. Looks like it's probably likely. Nah, we're 2 points in profit. We should this break even stop should still have us like a slight green at least, hopefully, unless we get slipped. I won't lie, my OCD does kick in a little bit if I get break even stopped and I'm like red by like $3, but look at the Discord. Do we got 5 yet? If we don't got 5, no giveaway. Hang on. I'm just gonna make sure. I always like to make sure I flatten all right as I get stop break even just in case. But all right, I'm out there break even, guys. Perfect. We did not break even red. We break even about $9 per account. Well, 6, 9, whatever. Oh goodness. All right, break even, guys. After all that, we held that trade from 9:55 until basically 11:19. We'll call it 11:20 for easy math. So 1 hour and 25 minutes. Sweet. Better than an L, though. Always better than an L. Type shit. No. It's gotta be it's not like just any meme, boys. It's gotta be like a meme like this. You know, you guys will get there. You'll get there. No winner today, though. No winner today. All right, there's always tomorrow. I told you break even. Oh, do you want a cookie, bossy? Because I don't have any. But all right, guys. You got $5 more to me, you son of a bitch. Dinner's on you. All right, man. I'm going to call it a morning there. That's great. I mean, what a crazy session, honestly. 99% of drawdown to not get stopped out all the way back. Going break even above these hourly highs. Hour and 25 minutes of the most horrendous chop you've ever seen. Obviously, there's always going to be opportunity with smaller time frame, like 1 minute scalps, you could say. But it's just very choppy, very high resistance right now. And honestly, this kind of tells me that I think a new low probably is fairly likely. So if you guys are interested in that play, go knock yourself out. I'm going to hop off for now because your boy actually has to go and get his hairs cut. And then I will, well, if I got time, depending on when I get back, I will take a peek at PM session and just see what sets up. But yeah, man, break even for me. Go bald. I don't think you guys want me to do that. I know you use it to toxic people talk to you. Oh, here's another one. Oh, dude. Hang on now. Hang on. All right, so we got 1, 2, 3. My bags have bags. That's funny. Listen, you guys don't have to use all the same picture, by the way. You guys are taking the lazy road out. Say this is look at this is creative. What is this? When you get stopped out break even after 1 hour today. See, that's pretty good. He kind of gave me some short, stubby fingers, though. Why am I drinking pop and eating fries? Right now, we got TR Productions. This is funny, though, too. This, I think had we won today, I think I'd have to go with this one. But because we got break even, this feels more fitting. You know what I mean? How many we got? 1, I guess 2, 3, 4, 5. Should we give it like... All right, that one's actually kind of fucking freaky, to be honest. That one's kind of freaky. Oh, I thought for a second I thought you put me on here. All right, boys, get your well, get your meme what would you call it? Your meme submissions in. What was that? Get your meme submissions in. You got 1 minute. Otherwise, TR Productions is going to take the cake with this one. Oh. Ramen noodles. Status, I'm not rich, but I'm not poor. Again. Dude, that's pretty good. Oh, dude, let's do a vote on this. You guys got like 30 seconds. I want you guys to vote between... Here. Oh, man. What's the best way to do it? All right. I'll let you guys pick the winner of the best meme. Where did it go? And we're going to go based off of emojis. Whichever one has the most emojis, and you can't be the same person just putting a bunch of emojis on their own shit. I'll let you guys pick which one you think is the best. ML just gave me a buzz cut. I'm sorry, but I'm and then he likes it himself, of course. I don't know. I'm kind of liking Eduardo here. I think Eduardo has the leg up for some reason. I like this. I like the I'm not rich, but I'm not poor. Again, I kind of like that. We got some good ones, man. We do got some good ones. Sheesh. All right. How about this? All right, the meme contest is over. It's going to be between Tyrone, Eduardo, and TR Productions. Let me know quick who you guys think won. I'll give you guys like 30 seconds. And then whoever you guys choose gets a free whoever you guys pick gets a free 50K select account with TRADEIFY. Which one do you guys like best? Eduardo is right here. TR Productions. And then, of course, Tyrone. I feel like this one could get me in trouble, though, if I post it. Ooh, Kev, what the hell? Pips, though, we're not trading Forex. This is cool, though. How'd you make this? I don't know how you guys do this shit, to be honest. Is it as simple as just like going in ChatGPT and just saying, hey, make him blinged out, give him a yarmulke, put his little neon thing behind him. Oh, you even got the dollar sign in there? It's actually not bad. Ooh, fancy colors. All right. Let's see. Who won? Let's get a countdown. It's tied right now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the winner is Tyrone. I guess Tyrone wins. The chat decided, Tyrone. After 1 hour, I need some help, Yahoo. Tyrone, if you are there, open up a ticket, and then I'll give you the code after. The people spoke. The people spoke. I'm not gonna lie though. I mean, I like all of them, to be honest. They're all pretty good. I think I would have given Eduarda the tip of the cap, but hey, the people spoke. We don't rig elections here. Appreciate you guys. All right, man. Well, hey, real quick. Yeah, I actually kind of think lower makes more sense at this rate, right? This also happened to be an hourly fair value gap. Above this high that we swept, and some of you guys might be playing shorts right now. I don't know, man. We're so expanded to the downside. We're below so many sell side levels. I just feel like it's a little bit too discounted for me to want to keep trading the short, but you know, I understand based on lower time frames why you would be maybe entertaining that. So if you are still looking for anything, maybe that's what you're looking for. Otherwise, like, it's really just going to come down to like what we do between now and like PM session, if anything kind of cleans up. And maybe, yeah, maybe it is just going to be, you know, melt lower and we kind of set like a low for the week today or something. And then tomorrow is contract expiration, triple witching. Kev one was better. Yeah, Kev's wasn't terrible. I'm not gonna lie. It was pretty good. It's one of those ones where if you look at it, it'll grow on you the more you look at it. But all right, guys. Hey, appreciate you, boys and girls. Hit the like button. Hour and a half long trade just to get break even stopped, but better than a stop out. So we will we'll count our blessings, chat. So appreciate you, boys and girls. If you want to get funded, code Tyler. And I will see you guys back here tomorrow morning, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. All right, guys, enjoy your Thursday. I'll see you guys back here tomorrow. Peace and love, chat.
Wake up early, coffee to my lips. Tyler trade streaming, giving us tips. The NASDAQ hustle riding up high. Joints on my playground, never asking why. ICT moves, smart money flows. Precision like an arrow, yeah, that's how it goes. Stop loss is shaking, but I hold my ground. Payouts stacking while the beats pound. Tyler trades, yeah, he's calling the plays. Future's bright while the market sways. If you run it, we don't delay. Stack those wins every single day. Time to break the mold. Risk to reward, pure liquid gold. Liquidity grabs, making it rain. I'm in sync with Tyler, bringing the gain. Party lights, flashing charts on the screen. Profit targets hidden, living the dream. Man of the hour, Tyler takes the stage. ICT king, ruling the day trader age. Tyler trades, yeah, he's calling the plays. Future's bright while the market sways. If you run it, we don't delay. Stack those wins every single day. charts on the screen. Profit targets hidden, living the dream. Man of the hour, Tyler takes the stage. ICT king, ruling the day trader age. Party lights, flashing charts on the screen. Profit targets hidden, living the dream. Man of the hour, Tyler takes the stage. ICT king, ruling the day trader age.